Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can delete a deal in Pipedrive. This is useful for cleaning up your pipeline and keeping only active deals. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will have to go to your deals area. So just go ahead and click deals and wait for it to load. So yeah, once you're here, what you will have to do is basically find the deal that you want to delete. So for example, this deal right here. So just go ahead and click that. And once you're here, you will just have to click this three dots button right here. So what you will have to do is simply click delete, and you will basically just have to confirm the deletion by clicking delete deal. So yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.